Understanding the meaning of denigrate. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting and important English word to discuss, denigrate. This is a word you might come across in books, articles, or even in conversations, and it's crucial to understand what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's dive in and explore the meaning of denigrate together. Denigrate is a verb, and it means to criticize or belittle someone or something unfairly, or to defame their character. When someone denigrates another person, they are trying to damage that person's reputation or standing. This word has a negative connotation, and it implies that the criticism is not justified or is exaggerated. For example, the politician was accused of trying to denigrate his opponent with false accusations. She felt that her colleagues were trying to denigrate her achievements out of jealousy. The word denigrate comes from the Latin word denigrare, which means to blacken. Over time, this term evolved in English to mean figuratively blackening someone's reputation through criticism or defamation. Understanding the origin of the word can help us remember its meaning, as it is like blackening or tarnishing someone's good name with untrue statements. Now that we know what denigrate means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Remember, denigrate is a verb, so it will be the action part of the sentence. The journalist was careful not to denigrate anyone in her article, sticking to the facts and avoiding personal attacks. It's important to provide constructive criticism without denigrating the person's efforts. Synonyms for denigrate include belittle, disparage, defame, slander, and malign. All of these words convey the idea of unfairly criticizing someone or damaging their reputation. On the other hand, antonyms for denigrate would be praise, commend, compliment, and extol. These words mean to speak positively about someone, highlighting their good qualities and achievements. And that's it for today's lesson on the word denigrate. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning, usage, and origin for you. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and it's important to use words like denigrate responsibly, being mindful of the impact our words can have on others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!